When tuning their guitar, beginners often break a string. This is mostly because they would be picking a string to tune it, and they would be turning the wrong peg here, and they keep turning and turning, nothing is happening. Eventually they turn it too far and break the string. This little exercise will make sure that this does not happen to you. If you could pick the sixth string a few times, and when you're tuning, you would have to keep picking the string to keep it alive. And instead of tuning your guitar, I'll just take this away. Instead of tuning your guitar, hold the relevant tuning peg here, but don't turn it, just hold it. Then bring your plectrum down to the fifth string as if you were going to tune it, and bring your fingers to the next tuning peg, but don't tune it, just get used to this idea. Then you can go to the next peg and match it on the other side by going to the fourth string. Again, don't turn it, just get used to the idea. This is where most beginners get caught. As they're coming down to the third string, they come down and start on the inside again. But as you can see, it actually works from the outside. The third string is on the outside here. So on guitar, you go sixth, fifth, fourth, and you come around and you work your way back in. And that's how you'll get your six strings. Again, you could just hold the third, don't tune it. Then move down to the second and come in here. Then down to the first and bring in this to match it. And if you do that simple exercise 3 or 4 times, starting again on the sixth, then the fifth, then the fourth, then the third, then the second, then the first, you won't break your strings. Hopefully it greatly increases the chances, and you could then start actually tuning your guitar at that point. Very simple exercise, but it just makes it much easier to use your guitar and the tuner at the same time. Also, when you're tuning, picking once very often doesn't keep it alive because it fades away and it's gone. It's much better when you're tuning to actually keep picking, to try and get it alive and keep it alive, and then you would try to. And you would try to center it to get your E, ideally with the green light. Then on to the next one, and you would try to get your green light there. A for the fifth string, D for the fourth with the green light, that's in tune there. Third string would be a G, second string would be a B, and first string you're back to E again.